Much of their transformation from ordinary to seven-figure status can be attributed to rich habits, a term coined by Thomas Corley, who spent 5 years researching the daily habits of 177 self-made millionaires. From my research, I discovered that daily habits dictate how successful or unsuccessful you will be in life. He wrote in his book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life. There is a cause and effect associated with habits. Habits are the cause of wealth, poverty, happiness, sadness, stress, good relationships, bad relationships, good health, or bad health. The good news is that all habits can be changed, a famous saying. Here are a few rich habits of millionaires that you can start developing today. So in this video, we are going to discuss 13 millionaire habits that changed my life. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Number 13. Millionaire practice dream setting. Dream setting involves scripting your ideal future life, a famous saying. In this process, you define your future life, the future you, by imagining all your dreams coming true. Then you put it to paper in 500 to 1,000 words. In his study, 61% of the self-made millionaires reported practicing this planning strategy. Number 12. Millionaires pursue their own goals. Pursuing your own dreams and goals creates the greatest long-term happiness and results in the greatest accumulation of wealth, a famous saying. While too many people make the mistake of chasing someone else's dream, such as their parents, rich people define their own goals and pursue them relentlessly and passionately. Passion makes work fun, a famous saying. Passion gives you the energy, persistence, and focus needed to overcome failures, mistakes, and rejection. Number 11. Millionaires sleep at least 7 hours a night. Sleep is critical to success, a famous saying. In his study, 89% of the self-made millionaires reported sleeping 7 or more hours every night. Sleep accomplishes so many things behind the scenes, including memory formation. Number 10. Millionaires get up early. Nearly 50% of the self-made millionaires in Corley's study said millionaires woke up at least 3 hours before their workday actually began. It's a strategy to deal with inevitable daily disruptions, such as a meeting that went too long, egregious traffic, or having to pick up your sick kid from school. These disruptions have a psychological effect on us. Millionaires can drip into our subconscious and eventually form the belief that we have no control over our life, a famous saying. Getting up at 5 in the morning to tackle the top 3 things you want to accomplish in your day allows you to regain control of your life. It gives you a sense of confidence that you indeed direct your life. Number 9. Millionaires have multiple sources of income. Self-made millionaires do not rely on one singular source of income, a famous saying. Millionaires develop multiple streams. He said that 3 seemed to be the magic number in my study, adding that 65% had at least 3 streams of income that millionaires created prior to making their first $1 million. Examples of these additional streams are real estate rentals, stock market investments, and part ownership in a side business. Number 8. Millionaires find and check in with mentors. Finding a mentor puts you on the fast track to wealth accumulation, a famous saying. Success mentors do more than simply influence your life in some positive way, he continued. Millionaires regularly and actively participate in your success by teaching you what to do and what not to do. Millionaires share with you valuable life lessons millionaires learned either from their own mentors or from the school of hard knocks. Number 7. Millionaires help others succeed. Helping other success-minded people move forward in achieving their goals and dreams helps you succeed, a famous saying. No one realizes success without a team of other success-minded people. The best way to create your team is to offer help to other success-minded people first. You don't want to give help to anyone and everyone, a famous saying, but focus on helping only those who are pursuing success, are optimistic, goal-oriented, positive, and uplifting. To surround themselves with good people, many self-made millionaires turn to charity, a famous saying. This is why so many wealthy people volunteer for charitable organizations, civic groups, or trade groups. It helps them expand their network of other success-minded people, he wrote. Of the millionaires he studied, 72% volunteered 5 hours or more every month. Number 6. Millionaires are positive. Long-term success is only possible when you have a positive mental outlook, a famous saying. In my research, positivity was a hallmark of all the self-made millionaires. The problem for most people is that millionaires are unaware of their thoughts, positive or negative. If you stop to listen to your thoughts, to be aware of them, you'd find most of them are negative, he wrote. But you only realize you are having these negative thoughts when you force yourself to be aware of them. Awareness is the key. 76% of the rich aerobically exercise 30 minutes or more every day, a famous saying. Aerobic exercise includes anything cardio-focused, such as running, jogging, walking, or biking. Cardio is not only good for the body, but it's good for the brain, he wrote. It grows the neurons, brain cells, in the brain. He added, exercise also increases the production of glucose. Glucose is brain fuel. The more fuel you feed your brain, the more it grows and the smarter you become. Number 5. Millionaires don't follow the herd. We so desire to blend in, to acclimate to society, to be a part of the herd, that we will do almost anything to avoid standing out in a crowd, a famous saying. Yet failure to separate yourself from the herd is why most people never achieve success. Successful people create their own herd and then pull others into it, a famous saying. You want to separate yourself from the herd, create your own herd, and then get others to join it, he wrote. Number 4. Millionaires practice good etiquette. Self-made millionaires have mastered certain rules of etiquette principles you have to master if you want to be a success, a famous saying. These include sending thank you notes, acknowledging important life events such as a wedding or a birthday, eating politely and using table manners, and dressing properly for various social events. A famous saying is that 88% of rich people devote 30 minutes or more each day to self-education or self-improvement reading, and that most did not read for entertainment. The rich read to acquire or maintain knowledge. Research says that millionaires tended to read 3 types of books: biographies of successful people, self-help or personal development books, and history books. Number 3. Millionaires dedicate 15 to 30 minutes a day to just thinking. Thinking is key to their success, a famous saying. The rich tend to think in isolation in the mornings and for at least 15 minutes every day. Millionaires spend time every day brainstorming with themselves about numerous things, he said, from careers and finances to health and charity. Millionaires ask questions such as, what can I do to make more money? Does my job make me happy? Am I exercising enough? What other charities can I get involved in? Number 2. Millionaires seek feedback. Fear of criticism is the reason we do not seek feedback from others, a famous saying. But feedback is essential to learning what is working and what isn't working. Feedback helps you understand if you are on the right track. Feedback criticism, good or bad, is a crucial element for learning and growth. Additionally, it allows you to change course and experiment with a new career or business. As a famous saying goes, feedback provides you with the information you will need in order to succeed in any venture. Number 1. Millionaires never give up. Self-made millionaires are persistent. Millionaires never quit on their dream. Millionaires would rather go down with the ship than quit, a famous saying. In his study, more than 1/4 of the participants said millionaire failed at least once in their business and picked themselves right back up. If you want to be successful in life, you have to persist in the face of seemingly unending adversity. You are only as successful as those you frequently associate with, a famous saying. The rich are always on the lookout for individuals who are goal-oriented, optimistic, enthusiastic, and who have an overall positive mental outlook. It's equally important to avoid negative people and influences, a famous saying emphasizing that negative, destructive criticism will derail you from pursuing success. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.